Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start with grade 5 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5. Then click on view all lessons. And we are going to start with chapter 4 addition and subtraction. We are actually already working on the chapter subtraction and addition. And the topic we are going to start with is complete addition and subtraction sentences. Let me write down the topic name. Complete addition and subtraction sentences. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down important points. Got it? Hi, Stecky. Okay, let's start with an example. Basically, what you have to do, you are given with one of the word, one of the digit and the sum of both the digits. You are missing the one. For example, you are missing the one and you are giving the and you are given the other digit. So you and the sum, you have to find the missing one. Got it? You are one of them is missing and you are given with the sum of both the difference of both the digits. Got it? In this case, you have to find the missing number. You are missing one of the digit. You are given just one and you are given with the difference of both the sentences. Got it? You have to find the one that is missing. So how can you find the one that is missing? You have to add the difference and the one you are given. Got it? Add the one you are given and the difference. This way you will get the one that is missing. Got it? So just add the difference and the given number. So this way you will get the one that is missing. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. And here you have 3. That means the missing number is 7, 5, 4, 8, 3. You can check by subtracting. 7 subtract 1 is 6. 5 subtract 2 is 3. 4 subtract 2 is 2. 8 subtract 5 is 3 and here you have 3. You write 3 as it is. Got it? That means the one that is missing is 38,457. Got it? Whenever you are given a difference, you have to add the given number in the difference. Got it? And whenever you are given a sum and you have to find a missing number, subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? Let's do another example. Like for the other example, you are given with a sum. So you have a missing number and then a given one and you are given with a sum. So how can you find the missing one? Like I just told you, whenever you are given with the sum, you have to subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? So just subtract the given number out of the sum. This way you will get the missing number. 23,736 minus the one you are given. 23,242. This way you will get the missing number. Got it? 6 subtract 2 is 4. Okay, you cannot subtract 3 out of 4, so you need to borrow 1. It would be 13. Here you have 6. 13 subtract 4 is 9. 6 subtract 2 is 4. And 3 subtract 3 is 0, and 2 subtract 2 is 0. That means the missing number is 494. You can check by adding. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write a 3 here and carry 1. And it would be 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? That means the missing number is 494. Got it? So the case when you are given the difference of the numbers, just add the difference and the one number, the given number. Got it? And the case when you are given sum, like here you are given with a sum and one number, just subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? Because opposite to addition is subtraction and vice versa. Opposite to subtraction is addition. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Let's just start with a test. On the top right corner of the topic, we have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, the missing number, we have to find the missing number. You are given a sum and one of the number. So let me write it down on board. So you have a missing number and the given number is 62677, and the sum, you are given with a sum that is 334,361. Okay, now this is the case you are given with a, just listen to me carefully. Now this is the case where you are given with a sum and a given and a number given. Just one number is given and you are given with a sum. Got it? So how can you find the missing number? You need to subtract the one that is given out of the sum. Got it? Just subtract the one out of the sum. This way you will get the missing number. Got it? Okay, so we cannot subtract 3 out of 6. So we need to borrow 1 because 3 is the smaller number. So we cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So we have to borrow 1. So it would be now 13. 13 subtract 6 is 7. 2 subtract 2 is 0. You cannot subtract 4 out of 6. Again, you have to borrow 1. It would be now 14. So 14 subtract 6 is 8. Now again, you cannot subtract 2 out of 7. You need to borrow 1 again. It would be 12. So 12 subtract 7 is a 5. You cannot subtract 5 out of 7. Again, you have to borrow 1. It makes 15, and here you are left with 0. 15 subtract 7 is 8. That means the missing number is 85,807. Got it? You can check by adding. That means the missing number is 85,807. Got it? Just select the correct option. Here is the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, now again you have to find the missing number. You are given with a sum and one of the a number. Let me write it down on board. So you are missing, given with a missing number, then 266 and you are given with a sum that is 8966. So again you have to find the missing number. So when you are given with the sum and one of the number, you have to subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? 8966 subtract 2660. So 6 subtract 0 is 6. 6 subtract 6 is 0. 9 subtract 6 is 3. And 8 subtract 2 is 8 subtract 2 is sorry, 8 subtract 2 is 6. That means the missing number is 6,306. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the 6306. That would be the second option, and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is again adding, and that's the one we did on board on a tutorial, that the correct option is 494. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, again the one is adding, so let me write it down on board. So it would be the missing number 1941 and the sum is 43011. You have to find the missing number. So again you are given with the sum and that one of the number, so you have to subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? Okay, just subtract. So 4 subtract 1 is 3. We cannot subtract 3 out of 9, so we have to borrow 1, but we cannot borrow from here. Here already have 0, so you have to borrow 1, make it 10. Now you can borrow from 10, it would be now 13, and here you have 9. Got it? So 13 minus 9 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. You cannot subtract 0 out of 1, so borrow 1, make it 10, and 10 subtract 1 is a 9. That means the missing number is 9543. Got it? You can check by adding. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is fill in the missing digits. So start with the next topic, that is fill in with the missing digits. So the topic we just did, you are missing a complete digit, but now in this case you are just missing with one of the digits in a one of the number in a digit. You have to find the missing digit. Got it? Let's start with an example. You have 587 and plus the missing number 9 and 0, and then you have 7 7 and 7. Let me write that lesson name also, please. Fill in the missing digits. So here in this case you are just missing with the digits, not a complete number. Got it? So how can you find the missing one? You can by simply adding. Start adding from the ones digit and you will get the missing digits. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. You have a 7 over here and carry 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So which number is missing? You have to make 7. So you already have 6, and that means the missing number is 1. Got it? So the missing number is 1. Got it? Okay, the other example is 2371 and 3400, and you are missing 1 7. Here is the missing digit and 5. Got it? So you can start adding and you can find the missing number by adding the numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 0 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. That means the missing number is 7. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, the first one is 457 minus 26 and the missing number. Let me write it down on board. 457 minus 260, and here you have a missing number, and the difference given is 9, 8 and 1. Okay, you need to find a number. 7 subtract what number equals 9? 7 is a smaller number. That means you must borrow 1 from here. It would be 17. 17 subtract what number is 9? 17 subtract 8 is 9. Got it? That means the missing number is 9. 8, sorry. That means the missing number is 8. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. 8 is missing. So select the 8 and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is type the missing number 559 plus 231. Let me write it down on board. Okay, 559 plus 231, and here you have 0, the missing number, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So the digit that is missing is from the sum, so just add the digits. 9 minus 9 plus 1 is 0, you have to carry 1. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. That means the missing number is 9. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The missing number is 9. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, again it is the sum. So just start from the first digit. Let me write it 2371 and 3400. 2371 and 3400. And here you are given with 1, 7, the missing number, and 5. You have to find the missing number. So simply they are adding, just calculate their sum. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 0 is 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. That means the missing number is 7. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The correct option is 7. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is it is subtracting 7. The missing number 0, subtract 590. Let me write it down on board. So 7, missing number 0, subtract 590, and the difference is 0, 6 and 1. Okay, you have to find the missing number. So how can you find the missing number? Start subtracting. 0 subtract 0 is 0. That means the missing number is, here you have 6. So the missing number must be what number subtracting from 9 is 6? 15 subtract 6 is 9. Got it? That means here you have 5 because you borrowed 1. It would be 15. 15 subtract 9 is 6. And 6 subtract 5 is 1. Got it? That means the missing number is 5. Got it? So select the correct option. The missing number is 5 and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 587 and plus, let me write it down on board. Okay, 587 plus 90 and the missing number. So you are adding, so just add them. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. Write a 7 over here and carry 1. So 5, 1, that means the 1. You have 7 here. So 5 and 1 is 6. That means the missing number is 1. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, type the missing digit. 8036 minus 4732. Let me write it down on board. sorry, 8036 minus 4732. Then here you have 4, the missing number 3 and 3. Okay, so start subtracting from the ones digit. So it would be 6 subtract 2. 6 subtract 2 is 4. 3 subtract 3 is 0. You cannot subtract 0 out of 7, so you have to borrow 1. 10 subtract 7 is 3 and 7 subtract 3 is 4. That means the missing number is 0. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is, let me write down the topic name on the board. It is choose numbers with particular sum, or choose numbers with particular sum or difference. Okay, let's start with the choose to. You are given but basically what you have to do, you're given some of the numbers you have, and you are given with a sum. You have to choose the number that has the sum of which two numbers have the particular sum and which two numbers have a particular difference. Got it? For example, you are given with the numbers, they are 6, 7, 28, and 886. The question is, complete two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. You need to find two numbers that have the difference dash and dash have difference of 858. You need to find two numbers that when subtracted their difference is 858. Got it? So how can you find the one? You need to choose the numbers out of the given number. Got it? So it is 858. That means the greatest number is involved. 886 is involved. Now you have to find the other one that when subtracted from 858, that when subtracted from 886 has the answer 858. Got it? So the rest of the three numbers are 6, 7, and 28. It is 858. Almost the difference is greater than 6 and 7. Just try this one. Subtract 828 out of 886. You cannot subtract 6 out of 8, so borrow 1. It would be 16. 16 subtract 8 is 8. 7 subtract 2 is 5 and 8. Yes, these are the two numbers that can make um, 858. The two numbers are 886 subtract 28. Got it? That would be 8 subtract 86 subtract 28 equals 858. Got it? Let's do another one. Choose two numbers that makes the sentence true, and the numbers are 8, 62, 73, 852. Okay, which two numbers dash and dash have sum 860? You need to find two numbers that when added and their sum equals 860. Got it? So how can you find the two numbers that when added the sum is 860? Um, 860, that means the greatest number is involved. Got it? Now you have to find a number that when added to 852 makes 860. 73 is much greater because the difference is just 8 numbers. So it would be 852 plus 8 equals 860. Got it? This way you can find the missing number. Hi Ola. Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, we are working choose numbers with particular sum or difference. So start with the test. Okay, choose the two numbers from box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 465. You need to find two numbers that has the sum difference of 465. Let me write it down on board. The numbers are 52, 415, 517, 581, and dash have difference of 465. Okay, you are given two of the options. You can check the options. First one is 581 and 52. The second one is 517 and 52. Okay, you have to look which two numbers have the difference 465. Got it? So use the options given, just subtract them and see which one is the correct one. Just look at the first one. Subtract 52 out of 581. You cannot subtract 1 out of 2. You have to borrow 1. It would be now 11. 11 subtract 2 is 9. 7 subtract 5 is 2 and 5. No, that is not the correct option. We need to find a difference that is 465. Just look at the second option. 517 subtract 52. 7 subtract 2 is 5. You cannot subtract 1 out of 5, so you have to borrow 1. It would be 11. 11 subtract 5 is 6, and here you have 465. That means the second option. These are the two numbers that have the sum 465. Got it? So the second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, move on to the next one. So the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have difference of 858. That's the one we did on board. So 886 and 28 has the difference of 858. Got it? Okay, the next one is which two numbers have the two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. That's the one we did on the that's the also one we did on the tutorial. 852 and 8 has the sum of 860. Got it? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers that have the sum. Choose two numbers from a box to complete the subtraction sentences. You need to find two of the digits that when subtracted makes 190 out of the given numbers. Got it? So let me write it down on board and then we'll see what we have to do. Okay, the numbers are 2, 4, 94 and 194, and you need to find two numbers that when subtracted the answer is 190, and you are given two of the options that are 194 and 2, and the second one is 194 and 4. Okay, just try the first option. Subtract the numbers given. 194 minus 2 is 192. This isn't correct option. We need 190. Got it? Just check the second option. 194 subtract 4 is 194 subtract 4 is 190. That means that is the correct option. Got it? Second option is the correct one. The two numbers that when subtracted has the difference 190. Got it? So the correct option is 194 and 4. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 380. Let me write it down on board. The options are, the numbers are 6, 8, 52 and 386, and you need to find dash, subtract dash equals 380, and the options you are given are 386 and 8 and 386 and the first one is 386 and 6. Okay, these are the two options you are given with 386 and 6 and 386 and 8. You need to see which option is the correct one, which two numbers when subtracted make 380. So try the first one. 386 minus 6 is 380. That's the one we required option. So that means the correct option is the first one. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete addition sentence. 8 179 313 329, and you have to find two numbers that when added makes 187. Got it? So let me write it down on board. 8 179 313 and 329, and you have to find two numbers that when added makes 187, and the options are 8 and 313 and 8 and 179. So you can check the options. Here you have 313. That means when you add 8, it would be again the digit in 300s, but we need the one that has the option 187. So just check the other one. 179 plus 8 is, yes, it is 187. Got it? That means the second option is the correct one. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so this is the correct one. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, now the next topic is properties of addition. Got it? Let's start with the next topic. And the next topic is properties of addition. Okay, so we're going to discuss properties of addition and then we'll see them with the example. So let's start with the properties of addition. So the very first one is which property of addition is shown. You have 2 plus 5 equals 5 plus 2. So whenever you have two digits involved, they are just written in different order. Like for this one, you have written 2 first, and here you have written 5 first, but at the both sides the number are exactly same. Got it? Whenever two digits are involved, the property is commutative property. Got it? Commutative property of addition. That means it doesn't matter in what order you write the numbers. Got it? Either you write 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2. In both the cases the answer must be same and it would be 7. Got it? So whenever two digits are involved, that means it's a commutative property. Got it? Okay, the next one is which equation shows the associative property. Okay, the you are given 9 plus 6 plus 5 and 9 plus 6 plus 5. So whenever you have three of the numbers involved in a property, both sides the number are exactly same, just the order of adding them different. Like here you add 6 plus 5 first and then add 9, but here you add 9 plus 6 first and then add 5. In both the cases answer is exactly same. Got it? When you add 6 plus 5 first, it would be 11. When you add 9 plus 6 first, it would be 15 plus 5. So 11 plus 9 is 20 and also 15 plus 5 is 20. That means order doesn't matter if you add 6 plus 5 first or either 9 plus 6 first. But when three of the digits are involved, it would be associative property of addition. Got it? So whenever you are involved three of the numbers, same numbers both sides, the property is associative property of addition. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. So let's just start with the test. Hi. Okay. Which property of addition is shown? You have three of the digits involved. They are 7 plus 4 plus 2 and 7 plus 4 plus 2. So at the both sides of the equality, the numbers are exactly same. Just the order of adding them is different. Got it? So you have to see which property is it. Is it associative, commutative, or identity? So I just told you whenever three of the digits are involved in an equality, both sides of digits are equal, the property is associative property. Got it? So this one is associative property. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So if you know the answers, please write the answers in the correct in the write the answers in the chat box. Okay, the next one is 1 plus 5 equals 5 plus 1. So on both sides, the numbers are exactly same. So whenever you have two digits involved, it would be commutative property. Got it? Whenever two digits are involved on in an equality, they are commutative property. Got it? So it is commutative. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Yes, Kelly, it is commutative. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Again, you have three digits involved, 9 plus 7 plus 5. And so in addition, order doesn't matter in what order you add. Got it? Either you add 7 plus 5 first or 9 plus 7 first. The answer on the both sides must be same. So three digits are involved. So which property is it? Is it associative, commutative, or identity? It is associative. Got it? Whenever three digits are involved, it is associative property. Got it? Okay, which property of addition is shown? 7 plus 0 equals 7. So this is the identity. That means it doesn't matter you add 0 to any number, the answer must be the same number. So it is the identity. Got it? 7 plus 0 is 7. So that is the identity. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. So which property of addition is shown? 4 equals 0 plus 4. So which property is it? Is it associative, commutative, or identity? It is the identity. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which property of addition is shown? 8 plus 9 equals 9 plus 8. Is it commutative, associative, or identity? It is commutative. Two of the digits are involved. Both sides the digits are exactly same. So it is commutative. Which property of addition is shown? 8 equals 0 plus 8. Is it associative, commutative, or identity? 0 is involved. So 0 plus any number equals the same number. So it is identity. Got it? Which equation shows the associative property of addition? So you are given now four of the options. You need to see which one is associative. So I just told you whenever three of the digits are involved, that means this is associative. So select the one that has 3 digits involved. This one is the one that shows associative property. Got it? Okay, which property of addition is shown? Is it associative, commutative, or identity? You are given and 3 numbers are involved, so it is associative. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which equation shows the commutative property of addition? So commutative property is you have involved two of the numbers, and on the both sides of the equality the numbers are exactly same. The second one has more 4 numbers involved, and on the both sides of the equality the numbers are different. So the correct option is the third one. Got it? Okay, which equation shows the identity of addition? So the identity property of addition is whenever you have very good sticky, whenever you have 0 involved, so 0 plus 3 equals 3, that would be the identity property. Got it? Okay, so you can complete that test by yourself later today. So we're working on the chapter addition and subtraction, grade 5. We have done 4 of the topics today. They are complete addition and subtraction sentences, this one, then fill in the missing digits, then choose numbers with a particular sum or difference, and then properties of addition. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. Please make sure before the next session you have completed all the tests. And if you find the session helpful for you, please click on the like button. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Kelly, it's not 9 times 2. That's if the commutative property must have same digits on both sides of the equality. Got it? So that's all for today. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.